Looking for a full-time floor plan that gives you a real living room without sacrificing bedroom storage or kitchen space? This is the 2022 KZ Sportsmen 363FL. Starting outside, the 18-foot awning creates a covered area beside the patio door, giving you a practical place to set up chairs or keep muddy shoes out of the main living space. There is also a rear trunk door, which makes stored items easier to reach without carrying everything through the bedroom. Step inside, and the front living area immediately sets this floor plan apart. Instead of walking directly into the kitchen or bedroom, you get a dedicated space that feels more like a traditional living room. The theater seating faces the entertainment center and 30-inch fireplace, so you have a comfortable place to relax at the end of the day. The large front sofa adds even more seating and gives family members room to spread out instead of crowding around one small couch. The kitchen sits in the center of the layout and includes an island with the sink built in. There are 2 separate closet pantries at each side of the appliance counter, and plenty of cabinet and drawer storage option throughout the entire kitchen area. The island sink has a matching countertop cover. This gives you usable prep space while helping keep meal preparation connected to the living area. Appliances include an oven, cooktop, microwave, and an 18 cubic foot refrigerator. The second, larger side pantry provides the extra storage capacity needed for extended living situations. You can keep groceries organized and reduce the need to constantly rearrange cabinets just to make dinner. The table and chairs create a separate spot for meals, paperwork, schoolwork, or working from a laptop. That separation can make a major difference when more than one person is using the RV throughout the day. Moving down the hallway and towards the rear, the bathroom is positioned between the main living space and the bedroom. It includes a shower, toilet, vanity, and nearby linen storage. That dedicated linen cabinet gives towels and bathroom supplies a proper place instead of taking up bedroom or kitchen storage. At the back, the private bedroom features a second exterior entrance and a king bed platform with underbed storage. Around the room, you have a side closet with removable shelving and washer-dryer hookups if needed. There's also a mirrored wardrobe, plus a dresser for added storage. This floor plan is perfectly suited for a couple that wants a separate living room, a functional kitchen, and a private bedroom with a residential-sized bed. It gives each part of the day its own space, which can make full-time RV living feel more organized and comfortable. Contact RV Depot Supercenter to request more information or schedule a walkthrough.
Hey guys, it's Mike again at the RV Depot Supercenter down in beautiful Cleveland, Texas. Are you looking for transparent pricing, flexible financing, or traditional bank lenders? We have all that. Give us a call, come by and see us today.